Okay, Liz, so a couple things about this. Yeah, the peanut butter and the powdered sugar, a pound and a half of powdered sugar is not all that convenient because it's like a box and a half. You can use any amount of peanut butter and powdered sugar you want as long as it's in equal amounts, and then just scale back on the vanilla. If you only do a pound of peanut butter and a pound of powdered sugar, because this recipe makes a lot of Buckeyes. Now, you could probably freeze the dough, what you don't use. And then the Oreos, sometimes I use the double stuff. That's going to make them sweeter. One package, and then the butter, it kind of depends on how wet you want the cookies to be. So when I made the ones you were eating, I used the double stuff, just the regular size package, and I used a whole stick of butter. So if you liked that consistency, then that's what I would do, but you could back off on the amount of butter there, I think. And then I just mix the Oreo and the peanut butter together in a mixing bowl, and then in a separate bowl, I melt the butter and add the crushed up Oreos. And I put the Oreos in a bag and just kind of pound on them with a rolling pin or a mallet or whatever you have handy till you get them crushed up good. You do have to let the dough refrigerate for a pretty long time so that you can roll the balls without making a big mess. And then I freeze them so that they get really solid before I dip them in the chocolate. You can also do white chocolate. I did some white chocolate, and I would recommend the Ghirardelli white chocolate if you're going to do the white chocolate ones. Or Aunt Louise got me some white chocolate from Bake-A-Cake. So whatever works for you. But yeah, you can do different variations on this. So if you have any questions, call me. Oh, and I use a toothpick to dip until your mother gave me a set of these corn holders, that you would use to hold corn on the cob. And that made it way easier than using a toothpick to dip into the chocolate. So talk to your mom about those corn holders because it does make it easier. Good luck.